I think it's time for some coffee. So Honorable got the lychee with boba.
Exactly like the fruit.
Like the fruit? Okay, how's the boba?
Haven't gotten it yet.
Okay. Mom?
Yes.
You got the
Berry yogurt.
Yogurts. Is it like, it's a smoothie basically. How is it?
It's okay.
Okay. The first initial reaction of the hazelnut latte, because I just took off the straw cap. It's bitter. Very bitter. I should have asked for sweetener. Do you think I can go in and ask for sweetener?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I just asked, and I think she put in some more like hazelnut syrup. It's still very bitter, and I know a lot of coffee places they make it taste like this, so I don't know what it is, but not a big fan. Like 2 out of 10. Never mind. It's like a 1.5. Because a lot of places they make their coffee like that and it's not good. And I don't know who thinks that this kind of coffee is good, but it's actually like, it's so bitter and so disgusting. I mean, no hate, only love. But I'm not gonna come here again. That's all I'm saying. I guess we can just make better things at home instead.
Yeah.
So it's been like 2 minutes and we haven't like
I really want to try
tried
it
it
so
yet.
bad. Okay, wait, let's mix it.
So I got the brown sugar maple iced coffee with almond milk.
And I got the, what was it, the caramel?
Caramel?
Yeah.
Caramel.
Right.
There you go. Try it.
Okay, no, it's not sweet.
Should have brought agave. I put agave in my Dunkin' yesterday.
Okay,
We
no,
might go back and
honestly,
ask for
after
sweetener.
you mix it, it's really good.
It's not bad though.
No, mine is good. Want to try mine?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is good.
Pretty sweet after you mix it.
Not bad. So
Guys, I changed my mind. This is actually like
We
the
changed
best
our minds.
coffee ever. So good. No,
Are
it's
you
so
kidding?
good.
I wouldn't say
Still
it's the best.
not as good as Dunkin'.
Literally nothing in our minds can be
No,
Dunkin'.
but it's like really milky. How else would you describe it?
But we've been to another coffee shop where the whole thing was milk and water, and it was like the
It was,
water
like,
melted
way
from
too
the
watery,
ice.
Yeah. But this is actually really good.
And it doesn't taste that much like coffee, which I like because I don't like a strong coffee flavor. And
Yeah,
this
it's not that strong. And I thought it wasn't sweet, but it's actually really sweet.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Mine is like really subtly sweet. Like it's sweet to like the extent that I like it to be. Oh my god. We didn't rate the Calibre.
Out of what, 10?
Yes. It's like the taste, like the quality. I give it like,
I would say like an 8 out of 10.
I'd say 5.5. I didn't like it that much.
Really?
It wasn't that
No,
good.
mine's good.
Maybe like a 6. Because their coffee is actually like good quality and it's not bitter. And they
It doesn't
have
really
like,
taste like coffee that much.
which is good.
Yeah,
Because we got like lattes, so we got like more milk and they actually like did that. So,
pretty good.
yay. Annabelle didn't have anything to say.
One, two.
literally just
waffles with white chocolate and chocolate.
It's white chocolate?
And the dark milk.
That's okay. We got coffee.
I'm so sad. This is so bad.
You got like their
literally
seasonal coconut cream coffee. It's like cold brew with coconut cream, and
No, it's sour. It tastes sour. You tried it. And
Yeah,
It's literally.
it's not good. I got a caramelized latte.
I'm
and
so sad now. How was yours?
It tastes like Whole Foods. Like these places can't make coffee.
Dude, it's all like really bad.
Oh
Looks so good. Oh my god.
Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go drive now.
It's a lot better than mine.
It's okay. We're gonna live. We're gonna have coffee later today. She had to throw out her coffee because it was so bad, making her stomach hurt. So it could, but this is like, it's always like this for coffee, you know what I mean?
Like you can taste that it's coffee, not just like
Yes.
what we usually get.
But I feel like, okay, I had like a sweet breakfast. I had like oatmeal. I feel like this is like a good like setback. Sorry, we're like right by the street. But it's so cute. They have like a whole setup and stuff. It's called Cafe Stroob, and the guy that was, I think he's like the owner here. He was so nice to us. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he was like, I don't even know how to describe it. But he was just so cheerful to us.
Like I would get this.
No.